mapping. So this video is a continuation from the previous video about beginners mapping. It's about the beginners mapping. So let's start again. So on advanced structure mapping, what do we see here? As I remember I told you in the previous market, an example, this is, we cannot detect that this is by telling with our eyes that this is an uptrend or downtrend. Only if you start mapping and not to map inside your mind. No, mark the structures with what you see, because it will confuse you if you don't mark them. You get? So market moves around, gives a pullback, takes the previous lower low here, takes the previous lower low. So when takes the previous lower low there, so this indicates that we have a valid breakout structure to the downside. So market pushes up, and before pushing up, it reaches at a higher high, pulls back. Maybe there was a supply that causes to pull back, creating another push to the upside. So giving us what we call a change of character. Now we have shifted from the bearish to the upside. You get the point. Now we have shifted from the bearish leg to the upside leg. So market giving us this lower low here. We call it, we push the market. So when push the market to creating a higher high above. So market pulls back and takes out the nearest lower low. Other traders will be thinking that now this is another market structure shift. Now we are ready to go down again. Instead, market pulls back and then pushes up again, takes out another higher high to cause a breakout structure. And then this one flash in SMC, we indicate it has inducement. You get inducement. So I'll also do another topic about inducement if you wish it, or if you want it also to make it to help you also to understand how this market moves algorithmically. So market pushes back. When market pushes back, the first pullback leaves a buy side liquidity, a sell side liquidity resting below here, and then market pushes up to create a new higher high, and then pulls back, indicating that this one could be a change of character or a market structure shift. Remember, we still have our lower low here. We still have our lower low here. Remain intact. It is intact. We call it intact, our lower low, and then our high is here. Definitely, we shall only confirm that the market has shifted from the bullish trend to the bearish trend only if market has taken out these lower lows. So market pulls back. When pulls back, finds maybe an APOI or an edge you wish to use, and then market pushes back again and breaks the previous higher high to create a new higher high. So when market creates a new higher high, creates a trading range, creates another trading range between here and then here, between the lower low. You get the point. So on this, then when market comes back, there's some days where maybe news where market will do a massive rally to the downside and then breaks to the previous higher high, the previous lower high to the downside. This could indicate a change of character, and therefore your mind will be able to shift from the uptrend to the downtrend. So when market breaks to the downtrend, it will not keep on running down. It will have a break, where this break would be as a pullback into the internal range. then market definitely will continue to the downside.